guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now, today is the 28th of October, 2024. I did spend most of this morning watching the Trump rally at Madison Square Garden in New York, which again is an incredible place. I actually saw Bruce Springsteen there perform back in I think it was like 2015 or something like that, or 2014 actually. But anyway, that was incredible to watch. Listening to, of course, Elon Musk. He's a legend, by the way. Dana White, Hulk Hogan, JD Vance, Dr. Phil, and of course Donald Trump himself. No BS, but I'm not going to say too much, probably get banned on YouTube. But anyway, it's pretty incredible. I would just love to see Gary Gensler removed from office, kicking and screaming. How good would that be? Oh, let me know in the comments what you think about that. Anyway, I honestly believe that in the next couple of days, or I should say, what is it, eight days away now, we could potentially see Bitcoin go freaking parabolic because of this. So we'll see what happens. There's a lot happening there, and of course with Ripple and the XRP lawsuit. Anyway, we're going to go over the crypto news because there's quite a bit to go through today. Also, my investing application EarnCurve is well and truly in development stages. I've got a meeting tonight at 11 p.m. to go over the application, or I should say the pre-application. So I'm wanting to get something up on the App Store and Google Play right away. That is well and truly in progress at the moment. And again, that application is going to allow people to onboard onto the application, sign up, donate if you wish, and of course get notifications straight to your phone from me in regards to updates. Because again, this is a long process and it's again very complicated. So again, it's just going to make things a lot easier. And of course, I've got access to the Wall Street Bull University on that. I'm going to have crypto prices on there, finance news, and of course, you can direct message me there as well. And again, if you have not joined the waitlist, please go join up to earncurveinvest.com. Go join up to that. Now, again, I'm going to give a special shout out because, again, in 20 days, I mean, it's incredible. There has been now 202 people that have signed up to the waitlist. So thank you very much. And also, big shout out to those of you who have donated. And again, all of these funds are purely being used for this application, right? No BS. And it's still all there, by the way. I've only played my developer who's actually building the application some funds, but it's all happening. And I'm making adjustments to the color scheme, adding new images and new features. It's in full development, and I'm going with a dark mode feature because I think it's easier on the eyes. To be honest with you, I find that. So we're developing that and building that out. Now, shout out to those of you who have joined the Founder Circle. Again, that's going to be an incredible group of people that have helped me in the early stages of the development of EarnCurve Invest. Shout out to Jason W for that donation, Craig, Laura, we have Peter, Mark, we have Ben B, Stephen D again, thank you mate, Peter R, we've got Elizabeth V right here, we've got Jamie, Gary, we've got Sean, Jeffrey, Aaron, N, we have Ivan M for Mary, I should say. I'm not going to say your last names because that's private. We have Brett. We have Turzar. We have Stephen, Matthew, Bradley, Lessa, Trevor, Vula, Jose. We have Ash, Zach, Christopher, Yusuf, Joseph, Tony, Carissa, Daniel. There's so many of you guys. Thank you so much. It's incredible. So I do have a target of $100,000, but so far we've raised in like 2 weeks, $3,840. So that's insane. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it, guys. I really do. I'm going to show you the app in a second, so where it's at the moment. Anyway, let's get into the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting very interesting in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that, all right? So make sure you give it a thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? It's for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, formalities are out of the way, guys. Straight to community tab. And yes, again, this was earlier today, but now we're at 202 people that have signed up in just 19 days, which is just nuts. And again, the website is earncurveinvest.com. Go join up, guys. Again, it's going to be incredible. All right, it's going to be the best investing app out there. I'm determined to do this, and I will do it. All right. And again, top altcoins for crypto. We've had Nextra, Electronium, Phantom, and CFX up in the portfolio. I did go live last night on YouTube. For those of you who saw that, it's been a while doing a live. I haven't really had time because I've been so busy getting this app built and running multiple businesses, but EarnCurve for me has been a long time vision of mine, so I am going to make this happen, all right? And again, 2025 crypto predictions, Bitcoin easily 120 to 150,000 after this US election, if the right person is elected, of course. Ethereum's 8,000 to 10,000, Solana $400 to $600, XRP $4 to $6. So easily it will go past well and truly up its all-time high, which is around about $3.40, I believe it was USD. So it's not a stable coin for those of you who still think it is. Anyway, Sui 8 to 15, Stellar 60 to $1.20, Algo's $3 to $5, IOTA $1.50 to $2.50. I wish it was $2.50. Quant is $500 to $800. And again, I'm bullish on all these coins. I really am. World, Casper, Constellation, DAG, Energy Web Token, XDC, AVAX. Go look at Grayscale's Trust, by the way. You'll get some insights into what they're looking at, all right? Especially Sui as well. Anyway, guys, let's have a look quickly. In actual fact, while I'm here, I will play this. This is actual EarnCurve. For those of you who have no idea what I'm doing, it's an investing application for traditional assets on Wall Street, predominantly passive income, paying dividend stocks. All right, so again, it's going to be simplified for a lot of people, and it's going to be predetermined portfolios for you as well, which is going to be incredible. Just simplifies it so much because I get so many people asking me about it, and I'm just really going to make it easy for people to earn passive income on Wall Street. Also, cryptocurrencies will be integrated. There will be baskets, different sectors. It's going to be all done. Or you can just basically build your own portfolio, whatever you like. And again, moving around the world as well. First and foremost, starting in Australia. Going to hopefully move to the United States, UK, Canada, Asia Pacific, the UAE, globally, right? And it's going to be done properly. And of course, I'm going to be listening to my community because that's very important to me, and being transparent, because a lot of these companies, and I should say exchanges and brokerages, are not. So anyway, we'll get into that. Go join the waitlist. Here is the video, by the way, of the app. Here is EarnCurve's user interface preview. Just a quick one. Go join the waitlist and donate if you can, guys. Here's the profile covering this part up. Secret. Here we go. Your payouts, your balance. Right here, your currency converters, your profile, very important. Frequently asked questions, of course, that's very important right there. Transaction histories, that's freaking awesome. You forgot password page, set new one, success, linking your bank accounts, customer service, that's very, very important for me. There you go. And of course, more notifications, your 2FA. Go join the waitlist, bulls. There you go. So again, two-factor authentication is going to be key, and there is major security features with this, as well as FDIC insurance as well. I believe it's up to $500,000 US. So it is done properly, guys. This is no BS. It's a long-term project right now, but again, I'm moving forward with this. Okay. Anyway, let's go into, I should say, crypto bubbles at the moment. Again, here's the EarnCurve website. Go sign up. Name, details, email, phone number. You can donate here as whatever you like if you can. Anything would really help me, guys, so thank you very much. And of course, I do have the Wall Street Bull University, which will be integrated into the pre-application as well, so keep that one in mind. Having a look at crypto bubbles on the day, Bitcoin did do incredibly well this today, as well as Dogecoin up 3.2% because of Elon Musk. Again, that's going to be bullish, guys. We're still up 105% this year. What else have we got here? Audi, 4.2% as well. Let's have a look here. Litecoin is up 2.7%. Now, let's just go quickly back to CoinMarketCap. It's sitting at $2.29 trillion, $49 billion, incredibly low. This always happens anyway on a Sunday night because the markets are always closed. It's down 34%. Bitcoin dominance is at 58%, and the Fear and Greed Index is back in neutral territory at 54%. And of course, Bitcoin's currently trading at 67,780. There you go. Again, it was pumping above 68K today when the Trump rally was on, right? Keep that one in mind. Ethereum, 2,483. Solana's $173. XRP's at 51 cents, which is nice to see that. Doge as well in the green from today. It's 14 cents. Let's have a look here. Sui's $1.69. We have ICP $7.73. XLM at 9 cents. Let's have a look here. Immutable X $1.30. Optimism $1.54. Hedera's at 4 cents. Say is another one I'm bullish on at 36 cents as well. WorldCoin or World, $1.94. Let's have a look here. Quant is at $61. So, I mean, for these to go to those prices I put up, and by the way, that was ChatGPT analysis in depth, giving those figures for next year. So, anyway, moving on, let's get to the news, then we'll get to X because there was a lot here. Bitcoin to soar, how Trump's election chances could push Bitcoin to $80,000 US. It's no doubt in my mind if that were to happen. He's already basically said he would remove Gary Gensler from office the day he was elected. Let that one sink in for a moment. But anyway, Bitcoin's price is on the verge of breaking above the 68K, which it did today, by the way. Now, fueled by the optimism surrounding the US presidential elections, the predictions, favoring a pro-crypto candidate, Donald Trump market speculation indicates a strong correlation between Trump's rising odds and Bitcoin's upward momentum. So I'm just muting my computer right here because I just get non-stop notifications, guys. Yeah, I mean, look at this. Suggesting a potential new all-time high for the digital asset. This is crazy. Bitcoin's price surge is attributed in part to the growing likelihood of Donald Trump's victory in the upcoming US presidential elections. Prediction sites like Polymarket, Kalshi, and I can't even predict it right here. Trump win 60%, according to Jim Bianco of Bianco Research. These insights have led to a bullish sentiment in the crypto market, with traders positioning themselves for a potential price rally. I think it would happen. It's not financial advice, but I do think things are going to get pretty wild. Bitcoin ETFs as well could soon cross over 1 million Bitcoin. As traders expect November tailwinds, spot Bitcoin ETFs will need to make an average of $301 million in net inflows per day to get this done this week. That is crazy. The United States Bitcoin Exchange traded funds ETFs are set to scoop up one of its millionth Bitcoin. 1 million Bitcoin. As soon as this week, as traders gear up for potential crypto tailwinds in November. What do you think about that? Let me know in the comments. And these tailwinds include the US elections, the Federal Reserve potentially lowering interest rates, and Russia lifting its Bitcoin mining ban, all taking place in November. Wow, things are going to get wild. XRP lawsuit. Move this friggin' pop-up right here. Now, this is interesting right here. It says the SEC is not delaying the Ripple appeal to 2025. Interesting. Ripple's legal battle between the SEC and, of course, XRP and Gary Gensler continues to, with the SEC requesting yet another extension of time, which I mentioned last night on the channel, now pushing the deadline to January 2025, which is not that far away. According to legal analyst Fred Rispoli, the request hints at more than just logistical issues. It shows that the SEC is struggling with its resources in handling crypto cases, adding to an already packed agenda. They've already got cases still going, and during the appearance Good Morning Crypto show, Rispoli said that Ripple's appeal will focus exclusively on written submissions, characterizing the situation as the battle briefs rather than the live courtroom confrontations. Oral arguments are expected to take place in late 2025, providing both parties an opportunity to strengthen their positions. Now, I just want to make this quickly clear, guys. I mean, legal cases take a long time. Long time, as we all know. 3 years. It's been, 3.5 years for a Ripple. So again, there's delays with everything. And I'm not even worried about it because I know the true utility. And they're going to win, especially if you know who gets in. Anyway, I'm just getting rid of these pop-ups here. Sorry, guys. But Elon Musk's Doge Flex pose sends Dogecoin first Nero on an Ethereum soaring. And if you saw that, unbelievable. But Doge-themed cryptos At first, Nero on Ethereum bounded together by a familial connection led by meme coin rally. And again, I knew that was going to happen because Elon is just basically, saying Doge everywhere, right? So that's going to rally. People probably would have made money. Of course, we've got money going into Ethereum, Solana, Doge, Sui. We do have Toncoin, Pendle, Uni, Bitcoin, of course, Ethereum. People are buying that. Let's have a quick look at X. By the way, my 3 commerce bots are working, and there was a major market correction last week. So they're slowly recovering. And just quickly, I can show you guys this. I've only got one bot trading 63 pairs activated at the moment. It is currently in trade. Let's have a look here. I do have 31 positions opened up trading for me. And I did take profits from this. But again, they work for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If I quickly come, this is bondgate.io, by the way. Position history. You can see here that it has been working today, the 28th of October. All green. Has been some liquidations, but not too bad. Look at that. Small profits, guys. 60 USD, 60 cents. But when you multiply that all day and all night, it does add up. There you go. Can't make this up. This is all today. All today. Crazy. Anyway, go join the Wall Street Bull University if you're interested in that. Having a look at X. And again, almost at, I should say, 7,000 followers on X. So thank you very much. Really appreciate that. 2 years ago, look at this, guys. Elon bought Twitter for $44 billion. It's now worth less than $20 billion today. I don't think he cares, to be honest. Again, had he have bought Bitcoin instead, he would have at least $350 billion right now. I think he was basically buying freedom of speech. Best move ever. Hong Kong says it will issue more crypto exchange licenses by the end of 2024, which is not that far away. Here is Elon Musk's post. That's actually Elon Musk right there. Dogecoin straight up. Look at that. Wow. Unbelievable. Yes, that's probably one of the reasons why it's pumping. I'm not going to get too political on here, but I know who I'd vote for in the United States. That is for sure. We're going to end on this Chris Larson video. Have a listen to this. Thank you, Crypto Hulk, by the way.
This fight on, hey, who owns the regulation of this industry? And that's fine, but, what they should be doing is making clear new rules. These are new technologies, and I think a bit of the problem is, trying to fit something like blockchain and interoperability protocols and cryptocurrencies, trying to fit that into rules that were established, 7 decades ago. I think that's a recipe for things going badly for the United States. So I think the hope is that we get really clear rules and protect consumers and
there you go. Pretty bullish stuff right there. And I mean, look, Chris Larson's Chris Larson. You don't really hear much of him. I'm going to play this video with Janet Yellen as well. Look at the sign.
Dollar status as the world.
This is legit. I thought it was fake. Look at this.
How concerned are you about the potential impact of the dollar status as the world's reserve currency?
You heard it right here.
And over a longer time.
The sign literally fell off as the question was being asked about the dollar losing its value. Come on, man. That's wild. Have a listen to Elon Musk. We'll end up on this.
I'm not just MAGA. I'm dark, gothic MAGA. Well, the energy in this room is incredible.
I'm not going to get too political on here, but that's wild, man. That was wild to watch that as well. MicroStrategy is the 6th most traded stock in the United States. More trading volume than Amazon and Google. Bullish. Bullish, bullish, bullish. And Bitcoin is about to break out big time, 100%. Anyway, guys, go join the Wall Street Bull University. Sign up to earncurveinvest.com. Donate if you can. I'll have an update hopefully in the next day or two with the new look application as well. Term sheets have been negotiated as well, so I'm just reading through all the documentation. There's so much. Anyway, guys, thank you very much. Peace out, everyone. Go and have an espresso, all right? Take care. Bye.